If I don't pick up this camera the way I look right now, I may never have to do YouTube again. This month makes it 3 years of me being on YouTube, and I believe I failed. Yes, I believe I failed in this YouTube journey, and I want to share some reasons why I failed, or why I think I failed in this journey. Failure doesn't mean your life is over, nor does it mean your career is over. Failure for me only means I have to take a pause, look back at what I'm doing wrong, and then shoot again. So I failed, and I'm going to take closer look on what I did wrong and re-strategize. So many times I've always seen myself as a failure on YouTube, because I see people who I started this journey with at thousands and hundreds of subscribers. I'm just here having low views, and this is so stupid of me, because I feel ungrateful for not being able to appreciate the hundreds of views I get on my video. Anytime I get less than 100 views, I feel scared and I run away, and I go back, think of how to make my video perfect again, think of how to get a more classier video. Make the classy video now. What does classy video even look like? It has to be very clear. It doesn't have to be blurry. Am I talking well? Does my intonation align? Your camera is not quality enough. You are not well dressed. I've had so many reasons not to post my video, and this has brought me to a point where I'm no longer consistent on YouTube. Just so many things comes to my head, and I'm like, okay, let me take a break until I can organize all these things together. And when I put all these things together, I will come back on YouTube. I was just stupid. Why not keep posting without quality? When you finish posting without quality and you eventually get a good video, you gather up money from that your video and buy a new camera. I'm not classy enough. Okay, let me go back, re-strategize, buy new clothes, dress up in a certain way, and then come here to address people. When I go and come back, I'm still the same person, because this is me. I can't change me. I don't know how to wear makeup for long. I feel too lazy to get up, pick up a brush and start making up myself before I can sit in front of a camera. Many people are out there, even if not thousands, hundreds of people are out there who are hoping and wishing to see my video every day. I get comments like, you're not consistent with your video. I have over 100 videos just sitting in my phone, but I haven't had the courage to post them. Why? Because I have been looking for perfection. Anytime I finish making a video, I take my time to edit it. I just look back at that video and I'm like, no, I have passed the stage in my YouTube career or in my YouTube journey where I shouldn't be posting crap as videos. Another thing is niching down. I have different content on this channel. Let's say today I post my motherhood journey. After posting my motherhood journey video, I would look at it and I'm like, people are not watching this video as they should. Why not post sit down videos? And then I post a sit down video and it gets 50 views, and I'm like, people are not watching the sit down video as much as they should. Why not post my hair video? And I post hair video, I get like 1,000 views, and I'm like, maybe if I post my morning routines, people would look into it. I am not consistent with a niche, and this is something that has kept me small. I don't want to be in a box. Obviously, in a box, when you post something outside that box, you don't get view at all. YouTube is so embarrassing that way. So I don't want to be in a box. I want to have many niches, which is totally fine. But if I'm going to have many niches, why not stay consistent with these many niches? If I can do many niches, so it means I will have to post at least 5 videos every week representing each niches. So this is another thing that has kept me small. And if you can do this, you want many niches, then be strong enough to be consistent with these many niches. Niches that I bring on here, people who are for those videos are always available. There are niches I post and it gets as low as 50 views. Those 50 people count. They are humans and they want to get that information that is in that video. So if tomorrow I want to put out this niche and I feel like only 50 people watch this video, so it means it doesn't mean much, That is a lie. 50 people, one person making an impact in anybody's life is what matters most, not how many views you get. And another thing that has kept me small is comparison. Comparison is something I want every YouTuber out there, new, old, and small, to look into. Comparison keeps you small. So I compare my channel too much. I compare my channel with people I've started with. From the beginning of this video, I already said I feel like a failure because people I started this journey with are doing well and I am just here, not putting out good content in my heart, not putting out quality content in my heart, and I'm just here. They are doing really well, but that is something that has hurt my channel so much. So I go to this channel. This channel has over 2,000 subscribers, and they post on a consistent basis, like every day of the week they post videos. And I look at this view and this person is having 60 views, 20 views, 10 views, and I'm like, no, posting every day doesn't change anything. And then I go to another channel and this channel has 1,000 subscribers and this channel posts once a week. And I look at this channel, I'm like, being posting at least once a week is still something okay. And this channel is smaller than my channel, so I think I can do better. And I go to another channel and I see this channel with 40,000 subscribers. They started the same day with me and this person is thriving. I'm like, why can't my channel just be this channel? Why can't I just have an audience that trusts me? But in real sense, I have not given my audience the reason to trust me. Another thing that has kept me really small is I take my time to research. I do a lot of research because of YouTube, but I have no time to implement such research. I think most of us are in these shoes. I take my time to watch videos on how to grow your YouTube channel. If I take a course on how to grow your YouTube channel, most of you will be surprised as to why is mine not growing. I learn a lot of things on how to grow my YouTube channel, but I don't implement any of it. So if you are like me and you have learned a lot of things, just like learning so much skills, and you are not implementing, any day you see how to grow your YouTube channel, you watch how to make this, you look how to do this, you do, and you don't implement, you are not going a step or an inch from where you are already. Instead of filming, instead of editing your content, you are still learning how to edit. Instead of going for that thing you want to do, instead of moving forward with what you've learned, instead of running with it, you are still learning it. So every day I learn new thing, but I don't implement it. Another thing that has kept me small on this platform is I don't invest in my channel. So several times I have made money, and instead of using that money to invest back into my business, into my YouTube, I use it to invest in other businesses. What you don't give priority to will not give priority to you. Like right now, I don't have a mic. Right now, I don't have a tripod stand. Right now, there are lots of things I have not invested in. So if you would do YouTube, make up your mind to always invest in things that will grow you. Take YouTube as a business, which is something I have not done. I have always taken YouTube to be my love, my passion, what I just love doing. I just want to put my life out there. So another thing is I have to cater for these two boys alone, and then I feel like I don't have time to do YouTube, which is a lie. Anything you love doing, you will always have time for it. Anything you love doing, you always have time for it, no matter how busy you are. Taking YouTube like no pressure. You see, this is the reason why I can't film. But today I have decided to break that barrier. Whatever happens, I'm going to film without makeup. I'm going to put out this video without my hair done. I am going to put out this video. This is my reality. I don't want someone to tell me I have to dress in a certain way before I can come on here. As long as I'm not naked, I'm covered, I will keep posting my content. Another thing that I noticed is anytime I'm out of YouTube for long, I feel like I owe my audience an explanation to come back with a video of why I left YouTube. I'm coming back YouTube. I'm doing this. And anytime I stay off YouTube for like 1 week, 2 weeks, I feel like, oh God, I have done this for a long time. And because I've done this for a long time, I have to come back to apologize. And while waiting to come back to apologize, I take longer because I'm thinking of, how do I do this? How do I do it? God. Not listening to my audience, not checking my analytics to see what is missing, not giving back to back the contents that are doing well already on my channel, feeling too lazy to film, edit and post, not like I can't do it, learning too much and not implementing, not being consistent, not investing on my channel, and worst of it all, having too many things on my hands at the same time. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is my reality. I have so many things to share. If you are interested in this, please just say you are interested. Let me, you see what I'm saying? Like, they can't let you. If you are interested in what I have just said, or you want me to do another video on how to grow and on YouTube, just leave it down in the comment section. I have a lot of things, but this is my reality and the reason why I believe I am small. I'm going to implement it and see how far